In this video, I am going to share how to create a document and save as document in MS Word. While in the system, below top right corner, we have the option start button. While clicking that, the option will become like this. We need an MS Word. So just I am go with the clicking MS Word option. So while clicking MS Word document, the blank open document will be opened. So top of the column, we have the option for office button. So while clicking new, the new document will be open. While clicking the blank document, new document will be opened. So this is what the new document. So while use this document, we can able to create a paragraph as well as we have project and all. It's very useful for preparing the projects for the projects as well as the paragraph. So just while using the keyboard, we can able to type it. Already I typed the document. So just I show you that what all the changes can be possible to be made while using MS Word. So here just I typed meaning of absorption. This would be the heading. So I need to highlight the heading means just while clicking and choose that meaning of absorption. Top of the toolbar, we have the option. We can able to change the font style, size as well as the color too, and can able to align. We can able to align the headings too. So just I am clicking the top of the column. Just going to change the font style. So normally for projects, Times New Roman will be given. So just I am clicking the Times New Roman option over that. So fonts size also I'm going to change because heading it's too small. So I just change the fonts size to. While top of the column we have both the option for style as well as the size, and then or else we can choose we can click the this simple option. Is that in toolbar? I think is that visible how I'm changing? Just I'm we have the option toolbar a upper arrow as well as the lower arrow will be given. While clicking that upper arrow, it will be bigger. While clicking a lower arrow, it will be go smaller. So this is the simplest way we can able to increase as well as decrease the font size level too. Then just I am changing the font color option. Using the color option, I am going to change the font color. So already it will be already yeah, just I'm going to change the font color as red color. Just yeah, so I'm giving the red color option. So the font color will be changed. Is there in the toolbar for changing the font color too. Yeah, then I'm going to change the paragraph size. Just I'm selecting whole paragraph. Just I'm giving the size as 12. So just I'm giving 14. So the size will be changed. So this is how we have to change the size of font. Then so in the future option, future of absorption, we have the option like one or more two companies are liquidated, no new companies is formed, the future of business of both companies is similar. So like that I am given the point. So for that I am just giving some flower design. So I need to change. I want to give a number in the sense. Just clicking that, it will be changed. That while go for and bulleting option also is available. So we have to select the thing, then we can change the bulleting. So in the top of the toolbar we have the option like bulleting. So some shapes and all will be there. So if anything we can change while using that. We want to highlight in the sense while we go for this option. So this is how we have to do the alignments while using the toolbar in the MS Word. We have the more option. So we can able to create the table too. table we can able to create a table too. So while using the option, so we need to find any words, in the sense the left corner we have the option of find, replace, editing. So just I'm giving absorption. So absorption option will be highlighted. So like this we can able to find and replace the words too. So once I complete the thing, I need to change the document, go with the top of the corner office button. So while clicking that, the save option will become. So we need to save the document. Just click save as. So while clicking save as, the system will be asking where have to save. I just using computer C disk. So meaning of absorption, so save. So like this we can able to create the document as well as the save as into the system too.